Hello everyone. Physics is never a difficult subject for a student who is interested, provided he or she has a clear and strong physics teacher. So here I am, Mr. Dharanidhar, your favorite physics teacher in your favorite YouTube channel, Bhautics. So today I have brought you a question which was asked in the previous year board examination for 2 marks, question paper set number 31/1/2. The question is, ray of light falls making an angle of incidence theta on the surface of a glass slab. Draw a label ray diagram to show its path. Also mark the lateral displacement on it. Right. So I have taken a rectangular glass slab. On this, a incident light ray should pass making an angle theta, and we should trace how the refracted light rays will pass. Very easy diagram. But some precautions to be taken while drawing the diagrams. What are those? First, drawing this rectangle anybody can draw. After this, you place a scale like this. Make sure that this point and this point lies on the opposite faces of the rectangular glass slab. So take incident light ray like this until the first surface. Take a thick line. After that, without changing the scale position, draw the dotted lines until it comes out from the next surface of the rectangular glass slab. This is the first step, right? After this, you make this point here itself and you change the scale like this. You don't disturb this point, change the position of the scale like this, and then you draw in one more line like this. After this one, now you should not change this point. This point should not be changed. It should be parallel to this light ray. To this line, it should be parallel like this. From this, you draw one more line now. So this is the body of the light diagram. Only body completed. Still, there are so many things to be drawn. So this will be the incident light ray, and here one normal should come. Draw. Don't draw lengthy normals. It will reduce the outlook of the diagram. Draw a simple and short normal. It will give a good look to the diagram. Enough. So this one will be the angle of incidence theta, which they mentioned in the question. And this one will be the angle of refraction R, and this one will be the angle of emergence E. Arrow marks will be very important in ray diagrams, right? So now they ask to label the diagram. So what all can we label this light ray? All labelings, if we take to one side, it will look good, right? So this light ray, what is this light ray? This is incident light ray, and you take this one, this angle as angle of incidence, and this angle as angle of refraction, and this light ray which is present here, this light ray as refracted light ray, and this one, this angle as angle of emergence, and this light ray which is coming out from the glass slab as emergent light ray, and lateral displacement. What is lateral displacement? This is the extended incident light ray, and this is the emergent light ray. The perpendicular distance between the extended incident light ray and the emergent ray, the perpendicular distance between these two, this we call as this one. This distance we call as lateral displacement. So these all parts we need to mention, right? So this one, this one will be incident light ray. You can fast forward it now, the video, because I am going to write the names. This one will be angle of incidence, and this one will be angle of refraction, this one will be refracted ray, this one will be angle of emergence, This one will be emergent ray. And this one will be lateral displacement. One more part if we want to mention, we can mention that will be the thickness of the glass slab. We can mention thickness of the glass slab like this here. This one will be thickness of glass slab. So now if you look at this diagram, neatly labeled ray diagram of showing the path of the incident light ray making an angle theta with the rectangular glass slab. So if we draw diagram like this and if we mention all parts like this, the examiner will never find any chance to reduce half mark also. This is the best way of drawing the diagram of rectangular glass slab in showing the path of the incident light ray. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.